You are going to love the 2016 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, heated passenger seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.